Welcome to ABC tutorial. Today we'll be talking about the mnemonics for drugs that potentiate warfarin toxicity. Warfarin is an anticoagulant used to prevent the formation of blood clots and their migration in the body. It inhibits hepatic synthesis of vitamin K dependent coagulation factors. Warfarin is metabolized by hepatic cytochrome P450 isoenzymes, and some drugs inhibit this enzyme, leading to potentiation of warfarin toxicity. These drugs can be remembered using the mnemonic O devices, which stand for Omeprazole, Disulfiram, Erythromycin, Valproate, Isoniazid, Ciprofloxacin or Cimetidine, Ethanol, more specifically acute intoxication of ethanol, Sulphonamides.